Alright, here we are at Snooze. They texted us saying they're ready for us, so we are here and it's crazy. There's people standing outside. The hype is real. I would never stand outside for like an hour or wait or whatever, but I guess people don't mind. Just finished breakfast. I have to say, I hate the ambiance, but the food is incredible. Like, you can tell that every single item on the menu is gonna be great. It's one of those types of places, you know, anything you order, it's gonna be awesome. However, again, the ambiance is crazy. It's like, I feel like I went into a Las Vegas club or something. It was, hey boo, yeah. Isn't it crazy in there?
It's too loud, yeah.
It's so loud. Definitely not
Who
a
doesn't
date.
like those kind of
yeah.
places?
I mean, I almost feel like I would want to come back for the food, but it's a shame because I hate the ambiance.
Yeah,
and
the patio's better.
Oh yeah, the patio.
Yeah, the patio's better.
Okay, next time, patio. Okay, so we have come to IKEA. We need to get some nightstands, and Dawn and I don't have a bedroom set right now, but we're about to order like our bed frame thing. We already have like a big IKEA like Hemnes dresser. So we're just gonna get some matching nightstands. Not the nicest furniture for like a bedroom, but I really don't want to spend a lot of money. Only because we had to spend so much money already for our new place. So yeah, this will do for now.
You're going up this way. David! He's going up this way. David wants to make a friend. David, say hi.
So this is what happens when we come to IKEA. David just wants to walk everywhere and explore everything, and we end up staying here for like an hour. Huh, David?
Oh, look at it. David. David's gonna jump. Oh! David, ready to go? Okay. Hey guys, so we are gonna do an outfit of the day, mommy and son edition. And David's wearing a gray t-shirt with a little pocket at the front. This is by Old Navy, all cotton. And then he's also wearing his new Old Navy jean shorts that I got the other day. And his shoes are by Stride Right. I forgot what the name of them were. And the accessory that he's holding is just a brush, like a dish cleaning brush that he picked up here at IKEA, which we're not gonna buy. Oh, don't put it in your mouth, David.
Yeah. And then my outfit of the day is loft jean shorts, loft t-shirt, Steve Madden sandals, and my Kipling backpack. And no jewelry, nothing, 'cause I was in a rush and I forgot. And just my monogrammed D necklace by Kate Spade. That's it. That's our outfit of the day. Oh, David. Here, let's. Yay! David looks so cute.
David, look.
We're matching with our jean shorts.
Good.
so David woke up from his nap and I made this sort of like angel hair pasta thing. I did it on the fly without like following a recipe, so the chicken's kind of dry, but other than that I used like real tomatoes because I didn't have pasta sauce on hand, so I just kind of simmered it. Anyway, it's a whole process. I'm trying out this new oh, what did you see? What'd you see? I'm trying out this new Tommy Tippy bib because it's soft, and he always like drops like liquid on his shirt. Not David is trying to do he was trying to do a pig sound and he spit out his food on accident. Yeah, he was going and then because he saw a pig on the screen, and then he spit out his food and he was like, what just happened there? So yeah, anyway.
Mama. Oh, he wants more.
I didn't know you were filming me, so I wasn't even looking in the camera. So yeah, I think David, he likes this bib because he doesn't really feel it on him. You know what I mean? Alright guys, so I wanted to give you an idea of our real life after I cook and make some food for the family and David, and all of this while he's like playing all around and I'm having to pick up things. This is the island right now. So embarrassing. Okay, so finally I feel like I have my sanity back. I really try to keep this counter clean or as clear as possible, but anyone with like an island knows that just everything goes on the counter. Everything. Just toys, whatever. And every day it's like my little battle that I have to fight.
Let's go over there to Amma. Yeah, let's go to Amma here.
Okay, so we have made it to the playground.
David's going to the sand.
This is a really cute playground. This is actually in our old neighborhood. It is so hot, and I'm wearing a black tank top. Don't you hate when you make wrong apparel choices? Anyway, I wasn't thinking.
So here, let's take the stick. Appa hold the sticks, okay?
Yeah, Appa hold the sticks for you.
Appa hold it. Appa hold it.
Appa hold the sticks. You come down now.
I'll give it to you. Amma.
Yeah, come down, David. Woohoo!
Oh my gosh,
Good job,
David,
David.
Wow, he does it so well.
Oh.
David's spinning it. David's spinning the wheel.
Good job, David. Good job.
Hi, David.
Whoa. David, let's sit in the shade. Okay, let's sit in the shade. Okay, sit.
It's better for the video too.
Okay.
Okay. It's good to be at his angle. Oh, you can't even see his face because the cap. David, look here. Hello. David, look up so we can see your face. There we go. David, good job.